Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ever wonder how to hang an M2 on the wall in its package and still keep it flush without bending forward and ruining that top flap after a while? Let me show you how. The problem with hanging an M2 on the wall is this. It's the gap in the back. There's too much front weight for the car to sit flush with a tack like this. And you certainly don't want to use a tack like this because eventually that tack will dig a little canal right into the flap up here. So the idea is to figure out a way to hang it on the wall, still using this style tack and not having the car fall forward. And the answer is this right here, a standard jumbo paper clip. You'll want to start by opening up the larger side. While still leaving that first smaller curl at the top. That's the part that's going to hang on the tack. And here's how I like to do it. This is an older M2 that I'm not too concerned about the package with, so I don't mind if the back gets a little bit messed up from doing this. And then while the car is flush, I like to bend the paper clip just a little bit on the bottom so that I know where my bend is going to be. Then I simply straighten that bend out so I have a nice 90-degree bend in my paper clip. Now this is the part where the box of the M2 is going to be resting, and that's not exactly the most sturdy of a surface being straight. So what I want to do is put a couple kinks into it so that the car has more to sit on. Now with a couple bends in the paper clip, there'll be more surface for the car to not fall left or right. And then you want to put the paper clip on the wall behind the main part of the tack. Not in the front part, behind it so that it sits against the wall. And with your paper clip on the wall and a nice surface for the bottom of the box to rest on, you can stick your M2 on the wall and it's completely flush. And now it's got the right tack on top so it won't dig into the box. And my M2 is beautifully displayed. One way that I like to do it, which might be a little bit too cluttered for others, is I like to put it on the tack that a Protecto pack is sitting on. The Protecto pack sticks out far enough that it backs the M2 perfectly up against the edge of the tack, keeping it straight up and down, and that top flap doesn't get bent. Alright, well that's it. Just a quick tip for you guys. Appreciate everyone for hanging out. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.